Right, quiet on set, we're recording. Speed. My focus is a little soft. Let me set the focus. And guess what? I have now officially blown a take. The GH5 has a feature that's called a manual focus assist, and whenever you turn the focus wheel, when the camera's in the default setting, it's going to magnify the image, send it through the HDMI cable, and then it's going to affect the image that goes into your external recorder. Let's show you how to turn that off so it doesn't do that to you. Go into the Cameras menu. We want to be in the C wrench menu under Focus/Release Shutter. There's an option here that says MF Assist. If I turn this off, it won't magnify anymore. Or I can select this option, and when I have this option selected, I can go ahead and, as you see in the monitor, I can change focus without any problem. But if I want to check my focus before I press record, I can double tap, and I can move around to make sure that I'm set the way I want. And now I'm ready to record.
Panasonic.